Fun fact about honeybees with Luna and Areo. Did you know bees have 5 eyes? 2 big ones to see the world, and 3 tiny ones on top like secret spy cameras. Boy bees are called drones. They don't collect food, they just help make new bees. A bee's home is called a hive. Every hive has one queen bee. Bees visit about 2 million flowers to make 1 jar of honey. Did you know there are more than 20,000 kinds of bees on Earth? That's like a giant bee family with cousins everywhere. Bees help flowers grow by moving pollen. They are nature's little gardeners. Honeybees make honey from flower nectar. Bees can fly really fast, up to 15 miles or 24 kilometers per hour. Bees love to dance. When one finds yummy flowers, it wiggles and waggles to tell the others where to go. How do bees make honey? Step 1. Nectar collection. Bees visit flowers and suck nectar using their long tongues. They store it in their special honey stomach. Step 2. Bring nectar home. The bees return to the hive carrying nectar. They share it with other bees inside. Step 3. Add enzymes. Bees chew the nectar and mix it with enzymes. This changes the nectar into honey. Step 4. Dry the honey. Bees spread the nectar in honeycomb cells. They fan it with their wings to make it thick. Step 5. Seal and save. When the honey is ready, bees cover the cell with wax. This keeps the honey safe for later. Why do bees build hexagons? The hidden geometry inside every honeycomb. Strong shape. Hexagons fit tightly together. This makes the honeycomb strong. No empty spaces. Hexagons join without gaps. Every bit of space gets used. Save wax. Bees use less wax with hexagons. That saves their energy. Hold more honey. Hexagons can store lots of honey. The shape keeps it safe inside. Nature's perfect design. Hexagons are neat and even. Bees follow nature's smart plan. Nature is smarter than we think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn with Luna and Areo. See you in the next fun video. Bye-bye.